Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how can we quickly find factors when we solve quadratic equations by factoring. So here we have an example of quadratic equation. You can have a look, and we need to know what are these parts. This is called a, coefficient a, this is coefficient b, and the last one is coefficient c. They have the specific value. A is 1, b is 2, c is negative. So when we solve it by factoring, we need to bring it to this form, as you can see here with parentheses, two sets of brackets. On one side will be x on the left, and here will be also x. And later we write some numbers here, x plus or x minus a value, and this value which we'll write here will be solved in factoring. So how do we factor equation? We need to find two numbers, unknown numbers, x and y, and x and y must equal c, which in our case is minus 24, but x plus y must equals b, which in our case is 2. Okay, so we know what is c and b, but we don't know what is x and what is y. How can we find these two numbers? This is the hint: x times y equals c, x plus y equals b. So the solution for beginners is good to write down all the divisors. So we have all the divisors of coefficient c, not coefficient b. We write all the divisors of coefficient c. In this case is 24. So how do we know which these two numbers, these two numbers x and y, will be taken from this set, from this group of numbers? We will take this x and y, but which one? How do we know? The answer is we can do it quickly by mostly focusing on x plus y equals b, this one. Let's not think too much about multiplying, but let's try to add these numbers to each other and see if we get b. We should get 2 if we add 2 of these numbers, because there will be not many such connections. So if you multiply, maybe there will be more connections, but if you add them, there will be 1 or 2 only. So it's easier and faster. Remember that these are positive numbers, but they can be also negative numbers. So we need to include negative and positive numbers in our calculations. Sometimes will be minus, sometimes will be plus. Okay, so we see here that 6 and 4 meet this requirement, because 6 plus 4 is 10, but 6 plus minus 4. So one is minus, one is plus. 6 plus minus 4 equals 2, because plus and minus together make it minus. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. It could be x plus and 6. Yes, it may be this requirement, x plus y equals b, but it doesn't meet the requirement x times y equals c. So x times 6 is 48. That's why it's too much, but 6 times 4 is 24. So we have our two numbers here. It is minus 4 and 6, because minus 4 times 6 is minus 24, but minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So x minus 4, x plus 6. This is our solution of our quadratic equation. Very quick. The next one, we will do it the same way. We know that b is minus 5, c is plus 6. So we're looking for two numbers such as x times y equals c equals positive 6. Sorry, this is not necessary here. So we have 6 and minus 5, x plus 5, x plus y equals minus 5. We have all the divisors of c. Here we wrote all the divisors of coefficient c. So which one, these two numbers, do you think meet this requirement? That when we add them together, we will receive value of b. We see that 3 and 2 meet this requirement, right? 3 plus 2 make it 5. So we need to make it minus 5. So in here it will be minus 2 and minus 3, because you know it from negative number. You know that only this will bring the negative number. Okay, so always look at the similarities, the difference, or what is the sum of these two numbers, what is the difference between them, because sometimes they are positive, sometimes they are negative, and I believe you will find it as quickly as me, or maybe even faster, because I'm not that fast. Okay, x minus 2, x minus 3. This is the solution. We found it, and I think if you find it helpful, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll try to create more content. Thanks for watching. Bye.